Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back again with a very interesting video. So I had uploaded a video like some time back. When was that? I can't remember. But first of all, how are you guys doing? Personally, I'm doing fine. I can't complain. Have seen God in my life. Yeah. So we are progressing on well, and we'll be doing a tutorial. Is it a tutorial really? Like something as I undo my hair, we'll just be talking. One, two, three. So I had done a video earlier of my hair. So currently I have this hair. It's ponytail and braids, and I've had it for like 1 month. Gosh, pesa nikipata pesa nitakuwa na eka after every 2 weeks new hair, after every 2 weeks new hair. 2 weeks later ni mingi, nafaa kuwa 1 week. Yes, it's been a month, and I did the curls, the ponytail curls. So apparently hii wiki sijafungua nywele, like imekuwa hivi kwa hii bun, nalala tu hivi for the whole of this week, since the curls by that aren't that bad. Naenda kufungua, you guys, you see how my curls are doing. So akibaidha my salonist, ona, imagine it's been 1 month. Naona my curls are still there. So as I told you earlier, the secret is every morning you wake up. So for this week, sijakuwa apply the spray, but similar like curls bado ziko intact. Nifungue kweli. Sijiski since my curls aren't that bad. Sijiski kufungua by that. So I've been using this. Whether this is not a paid ad, there's nothing. I'm just promoting them since imenisaidia. So I've been using this spray. Jika inaonekana, inaitwa Ludeus. It's a wig spray actually. So I've just been spraying the hair. Alafu you just pass through your fingers. Like kucha ni hata. You just spray. Then you do this. And actually spray bado ikaisha since like nimetumia for like a month. Yeah. So I used to spray every day. Una spray, then you pass your fingers through the hair. Then once I'm done spraying, I use this color activator. Yeah, color activator from Best Lady. This one is around 1,000 bob. Kienda Du Bois, I'm not sure, but nilibuy 1,000 bob. Sijui niligongwa ama I don't know. Then this Best Lady color activator nilibuy around, sijui mnaona. Kwa content creator ni ngumu. Hii Best Lady color activator, it's hair gel. Sadi like imeisha, iko karibu kuisha. So hii nilibuy around 300 up to 500, I'm not sure. Then for my hair, this for the curls. So I've also been getting questions of, oh, how are you maintaining the curls? Oh, which hairstyle is that? So this is just ponytail plus normal braids. Yeah, so acha nibomoe. Today, like I was planning to undo this hair, but then kuna kitu inaniambia nywele bado ni nzuri, huwezi acha tu. Sasa sijui nifuate gani. So nilikuwa nimefunga kamba just to support the hair. Si mnaona hii nywele by that, guys, hii nywele si mbaya. And imagine it's 1 month. Si mnaona huko ndani, it's 1 month old. Then I've been applying some oil, either for the best hair oil. Actually, it's our plug. It's our plug. There's this hair oil nilibuy Mombasa, and it's all that hair needs. Like nywele ina grow. Either I'm really confused. Sijui nibomoe nywele ama nipe another week. Because I don't have plans. Like natoi alafu naeka gani. I'm this person mwenye natakanga nikibomoa tu hivi nywele like the very same day. niko salon nashukwa. Like my hair doesn't get a chance to breathe. And why should it breathe by that? Why? Hakuna haja. So acha nitafikiria hiyo story. Nitafikiria story either I will undo it ama itasukuma tu na wiki ingine moja. But as you've seen guys, imagine hizi curls ziko na 1 month. My salonist. My sister is my salonist by the way. Nitamplug hapo siku moja. Look at these curls. Imagine the curls are still very okay. Ni nywele tu imebomoka huko. Maybe next time nishukwe not less. Let me just think about it, then we'll let you guys know what was my final decision. Either nitabomoa, because I wanted to do less story time while I'm doing my hair, because nimebeba hadi makasi hapa ya kubomoa, but since nywele iko sawa, bado nafikiria nibomoe nisibomoe, but hii imenisaidia sana. So hadi nilikuwa na makasi, I just cut these curls, but zitaniuma because hazijabomoka, alafu nazikata. I am not ready. I am not ready for that. Yeah, but I wanted to do a video, story time while I'm doing the hair, but since I'll have to rethink about it, probably this might be the end of the video. Yeah, and I'll probably upload another one sometime back. Give me like some few. I want to try and be consistent by that. Like I want to be uploading videos back to back. Get like every day I want to be posting for you guys videos. I want you guys to enjoy seeing my face and enjoy my content. Ni pole pole. So let's meet at the top. Hi. Bye bye guys. See you. See ya.